Hey beauts, it's Lisshaaleah Beauty and we're back with a new nude eyeshadow tutorial, baby. So let's get it. If you're new here, welcome. Check out the Best of Lisshaaleah Beauty playlist so you can get caught up on anything you missed. And if you're returning, well, hey, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Now, let's really get into this all nude browns, whites. Give me them all because we're going to get into that in this nude eyeshadow tutorial. Let's go. Okay, for today's nude look, we're going to work with the Morphe palette. Oh boy, 25D, okay? It has the colors I'm looking for. If you could see that right now. Lots of browns, lots of creams. If I feel for a white, I may dip into one more palette that I know that has like a white just to get that effect. But this is the main palette we're gonna be working with today. Okay, Morphe, and I'll put up section obviously what I'm using, and you know what, how much this palette costs. I'll put it up to my left. Okay, so let's get into this. Eyebrows are done, foundation is on. If you want to know how I do my eyebrows, you can hit up easy tutorial for eyebrows. I'll put it up above. Same thing goes for foundation. I'll also put that up above. So right now I'm just going to go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer just on my eyelids to give it that base. Where's my mini Morphe? I love to use this for mirrors. Just get it on that base. Get out those creases. Now we're just gonna blend this bad boy out. Okay, so it's all blended out. I got my new eye guards from Sephora. They look really cute. I'm feeling myself right now. If you want to know the reusable shadow guards and from the Sephora collection, if you want to know more about it, let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely make a video for you guys. So now I can get into this and have no dust off on my beautiful foundation that's already setting. So what I'm gonna do now is grab a full head brush to blend out the brown on the ends and over the eyelid, trying to keep a little bit of space for some nude color. Okay, so let's start that. Now that I got the all blended out, I did speak in my last video when I did a semi nude look that the Huda Beauty Obsession palette had this really cool white. So I'm just gonna mix that white with the cream in the Morphe just to get that really good ombre look that we're trying to portray here. So let's just do double dips, back and forth, and do a mini cut crease. Now, mini cut crease to ombre. You'll get it when you see it. And then now we're just gonna blend that same color on the end right in there. Let's do this. Just blend. If you could see the difference, blended, not blended. Telling you, wait till the liner and lashes come. Okay, now you can see my kind of cut crease, blended kind of ombre look. If I just look down a little bit. So we got that look. Now we're going to put on some liner and lashes. Let's see what lashes. Maybe we'll go with a Tarte. I haven't wore these lashes yet. So maybe we'll go for these lashes or a really calm one. Maybe you want to see the eyeshadow. I'll leave it up to how I feel. So let's see this. And that is it, folks. Thank you for glamming with me today. If you missed anything or you want to know more about the products, hit that description below. I'm going to have all the info there plus more. Well, it's been fun. So Lisshaleah Beauty out.